folks, it's me again. What I got for you today, something interesting. A little story with this, but before I continue, please click the subscribe button. It's somewhere on the bottom. Helps out. I know there's 90%, according to the YouTube analytics, 90% of you watching my channel are not subscribed. So if you just click the button, you don't have to do anything special. I'm not asking you for money. I won't solicit you for anything. I'll just tell you to subscribe and leave. And if you leave a comment, if you like the video, if you don't like it, leave a comment too. Just politely say you don't like the video. I mean, not everybody has to like it. But in this video, the story behind this video is I have an old chicken coop I cut up, and my Dewalt cordless is just, there's so much shit to go around with my, not my Dewalt cordless, my corded Dewalt 18 volt. Actually, I do have a cordless 18. I have a cordless 18 volt reciprocator, and I have a corded reciprocator. The 18 volt cordless one, I've been looking on Amazon to get replacement batteries, but every time I read the, what do you call it? The reviews, I'm like, I don't know. So I'm like, not really sure. So I haven't bought any replacement batteries. I have like two that work for a couple of minutes, but not enough. I don't have enough battery power on them to even run the cordless. The corded one, it's in such a shitty spot. I need like 2 sections of cord. I carried a cord, so I was like, you know what? I think I'm just going to buy a 20 volt lithium one. 22 volt or 20 volt or this. So I picked up this gadget. Portable, basically. I'll put the camera down, I'll show you it. This is a Dewalt, what is it again? DCS369 compact reciprocating. So you could see the little words on the side there. Has a little light in the front. Basically, I'll take this off here so I don't screw up my finger here. Has the little switchy thing here, you just turn it. As you can see, you just turn it like that, put the blade in. Comes with a couple of blades. I bought this is the Atomic Compact Series. It's a brushless and works pretty good. It's got the locking button on off. I bought just this tool only, I didn't buy anything else. And it's pretty lightweight. And it's not a, you don't have to, it's not a two-handed job. Variable speed job. You can go slow. So yeah, I've used it. I'm not going to record me cutting up a chicken coop with this, but maybe I should, just for fun of it. But yeah, I have how many amp hours that battery is this? I don't even know. It doesn't say on the battery. Does it even say in here? 3 amp hour battery. So yeah, it's not bad. Works good. Blade's going easy. I mean, I can't complain. Little thing swivels like this. It's a little rough, but for what I use it for, I'm not asking for a contract or grade. I'm not doing commercial thing. It's just occasional zoom zoom, and works good. If I want to cut up stuff on the side of the road, bring it with me. Chop chop. I want to cut trees and whatever. Basically, I'm just cutting up a chicken coop. Whole lot of scrap lumber and using a bimetal blade and cutting through screws and old shit. So yeah, didn't come with the battery. Good tool, lightweight, good for the average homeowner who wants more yellow tools. And no, I'm not a brand whore. I don't care if it's yellow or red or blue, whatever tool you like. It's up to you. I don't care. I buy the yellow ones because, well, I like yellow. So plus I have all these batteries. I was gonna buy a Milwaukee one, the little mini chainsaw ones, but the only thing is I hate sharpening chainsaw blades. And what was I gonna do about batteries? Well, they make a Milwaukee to DeWalt battery adapter, which a lot of people own, which apparently work great. So I mean, 20 volts is 20 volts, no matter if it comes out of this plastic box or one that's this big. So yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it for the moment, and hope you enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching.